So what I want to do is that if a ticket is in escalated status in Jira and it's highest priority. So if the priority is highest and the ticket status is escalated, I want to take some actions on the Salesforce side using that, right? So if the remote priority is highest and the status is escalated, add a comment. I want to add a comment to the case saying something is burning and change the priority to high. Right. I hope that was clear. So if the Jira ticket is escalated and highest priority, I want to add a comment in Salesforce saying something's burning, and I want to change the Salesforce priority to high. Otherwise, let's complicate this. Let's really trip it up. So otherwise, change the priority to low. Right. I'll stop here. I think because there's a lot to do here, right? So if somebody's following along, there's an if-else statement in there. There's a comment addition. There's a custom field change. So there's a lot happening within that prompt. I'm just quite interested to see what the AI spews out. Okay, so uh, wow. Okay, so yeah, it's just looks absolutely correct. Actually, it's missing like a dereference at this stage. It's just a really small thing though. It's missing a dereference here, like the dot name. That for sure it's missing because status and priority are objects and they need to be dereferenced. But check this out. It automatically picked up the correct helper method. It automatically picked up the correct syntax. Yeah, shouldn't have done that actually, but okay. All right, let's give it a shot. Right, so let's do this. So if the priority is highest and the ticket is escalated, those two things should be enough for my code to trigger, right? Yeah, cool. And what should my code do? Two things I expect. I expect a comment to be added, and I expect the priority of the ticket to go to high. That's what the prompt said essentially. Right. So we got the comment, something's burning, and the priority changed to high. Amazing.